Hey, what to do, everybody? My name is Rory, aka Rowan. I want to welcome you all back to the third episode of Rose Ice Reviews. And before we get into this, I really want to thank you all for the love and support I got on the last video. Y'all showed me you really fucks with these mystery boxes. So today, I went ahead and you already know, I had to cop another mystery box. So I went ahead and I copped the second anniversary Ice Giant Pendant mystery box. And I cannot wait to see what's inside this, y'all. This cost me like $89 and it comes with 2 pendants, 2 chains, and I haven't even taken a peek at what's inside yet. So without further ado, drop a like if you enjoyed these mystery box videos, smash that sub button for your boy, and comment down below links to mystery boxes you want to see me purchase and review next. So with that being said, let's go ahead and let's open this up and see what the fuck we got. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, here it is, the Ice Giant second anniversary mystery box. Let's go ahead and let's lift this up in 3, 2, 1, and oh, I see a little bit of shine. Let's take off the cloth. Oh baby, oh shit. Okay, look at that. I was hoping I would get one of the Pokemon pendants, dude. They had like a bad Pikachu. They had this one. Oh dude, and we got Super Saiyan Goku. Hold on. Oh baby, put those to the side. Okay, these are the chains they sent us. Some little rope chains, a little silver one, a little gold rope chain. Okay, hold on. Let's get this box out the way. Move that. Oh baby. Okay, let's open up these pendants. Get this little cloth out of the way, dude. This is fire already. I'm not gonna freaking lie, dude. So let's go ahead. Let's pull this out. I feel like I'm gonna rip this open, dude. Oh, this is oh yeah, there's no way. Oh, there's no way this is coming out. All right, we're just ripping into this, dude. We're just ripping into it. Throw that away, trash. And let's try to pull this little shrink wrap that they got off of it. Oh, dude, this thing's hitting so hard. I can already see. Oh, baby, how do I get? How do I get this off? Jeez, dude, what the heck? This shrink wrap is ridiculous. Okay, hold on. There we go. We almost got it. I don't almost got it. Alright, y'all, I went ahead and I got the shrink wrap off, and take a look at these, bro. These are so crazy. I mean, just look at the Pokeball, dude. The red stones, the white stones, the black stones, the big stone in the middle. Check out the back right here, dude. Oh my goodness. Dude, this pendant, this go pretty hard. I'll give it that, dude. And let's check out this Super Saiyan Goku, man. These would definitely hit harder if they were in Moissanite. I mean, just look at the stones in the eyes and check out the back, dude. The shine on that, and it has the one singular stone at the bottom. This is freaking crazy, man. Let's get a closer view on the stones on these. 1 second. Pendants, y'all, are just crazy, man. I don't even know what to say. This one's super freaking heavy. This one's not so heavy, and if you can see up there, it has the little IGT mark. Let's see if this one has an IGT mark. Nope, I don't see any Ice Giant mark on this, so I don't know, man. Let's put these to the side. Let's open up these chains that they gave us right here. So we got a regular little gold rope chain and then a little silver one. So let's dump those out real quick. Okay. They're pretty light, but they seem pretty nice. They have a decent shine to them as well. Let's see if there's any markings on it. Yeah, I think I see a little Ice Giant one, and I'm pretty sure the silver chain is going to be the same. So let's open this one up right quick and get this little bag out of the way. Yeah, they're just ripping open when I'm pouring them. The little bags are always ripping. And let's check this out. Okay, Ice Giant right there. All right, dude, y'all already know I'm gonna have to put these on real quick and give y'all a neck profile. Hold on, let's get it. Alright, y'all, so there's a little bit of what it looks like when you're wearing it, and right now y'all already know that I gotta do this just to do this. Hit it with the diamond selector, the diamond tester. We're gonna see if these fake stones can pass a diamond tester, at least a cheap one. I'm still waiting on my better one to get in, so once we get that, that'll be a lot better. So let's try. Nope, not really hitting nothing, just a little bit. Here, all right, let's move this one aside. Let's try the Pokeball right here. Let's hit the big stone. Nada. Let's try these. Oh, no way. Hold on. Let's turn this down a little bit. Hold on. What? Okay, there we go. Oh, no way! Dude, it actually passes the diamond test. Let's try the redstones. Oh, just for a second. Dude, that is crazy. This will, oh my gosh, dude. I can't even believe this passes the diamond test, to be completely honest. I can't believe it at all. And it's not even moissanite. That's what the crazy thing is, dude. This goes freaking insane. Let's hear it one more time. Let's try right here. No, only in certain places. Oh. Wow. Dude, that is freaking crazy, y'all. That is crazy. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. It was a little bit shorter, but I like opening these mystery boxes and sharing the moment with all of you, and I'm still amazed that the Pokeball passed the fucking diamond tester. Like, that's crazy, man. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a giveaway at like 500 subs, so stay tuned for new videos, turn on post notifications and all of that good stuff. Also, I couldn't find a price on Ice Giant's websites for these items, so I'm pretty sure they were limited to the mystery box or just production in general. But yeah, if you want to win one of these two pieces, comment down below, and I'll come back to this video at the time of the giveaway and start entering names. But thank you all for joining me for this episode of Rose Ice Reviews. I'll see you in the next video. Later.